Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the joga socks. Yoga is a group of physical, mental, and spiritual practice or disciplines which originated in ancient India and aim to control and still the mind. Okay? Recognition, a detached witness, consciousness, untouched by the mind, and mundane suffering. There is a wide variety of schools of yoga, practice and goals in Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism. And traditional and modern yoga is practiced worldwide. Two general theories exist on the origins of yoga. The linear model holds that yoga has Vedic origins, as reflected in the Vedic textual corpus, and influenced Buddhism. According to author Edward Fitzpatrick Crangle, this model is mainly supported by Hindu scholars. According to the synthesis model, yoga is a synthesis of indigenous, non-Vedic, and Vedic elements. This model is favored in Western scholarship. Yoga is first mentioned in the Rig Veda, and it is referred to in a number of Upanishads. The first known appearance of the word yoga with the same meaning as the modern term is in the Katha Upanishad, which was probably composed between the 5th and 3rd centuries BCE. Yoga continued to develop as a systematic study and practice during the 5th and the 6th century BCE in ancient India's ascetic and skramana movements. The most comprehensive text on yoga, the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali, date to the early century of the Common Era. The yoga philosophy became known as one of the 6 orthodox philosophical schools of Hinduism in the second half of the 1st millennium CE. Hatha yoga texts began to emerge between the 9th and 11th century, originating in Tantra. The term yoga in the Western world often denotes a modern form of hatha yoga and a posture-based physical fitness, stress relief, and relaxation techniques, consistent largely of the asanas. This is different from the traditional yoga, which focuses on meditation and release from worldly attachments. It was introduced by gurus from India after the success of Swami Vivekananda's adoption of yoga without asanas in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Vivekananda introduced the Yoga Sutras to the West, and they became prominent after the 20th century success of Hatha yoga. You see, there are a lot of history between the yoga and our workouts today. But if you perform workouts today, then it is often so sleepy because your feet are wet because of the sweat of the exercise. But to make a solution with that, like this, yoga socks can help you perform better, really much better. These are high carbon socks, cotton socks that are super absorbent, ventilation and wear resisting. It is comfortable and elastic of the suck mouth, not easy to cause pressure on the food circulation, more brassable and comfortable open-toed design to make our joints are more flexible in movement. Features with anti-slip design on the bottom of the sock and hundreds of 3D silicon granules to make our comfortable workout and safer workout. We open the top design keeps this feet cool, especially practical for those people whose feet sweat a lot. The material is 80% cotton and 18% elastic, 2% spandex. The colors are black, gray, and pink, as you can see. And the specification is from 24.5 centimeters up to 26. The weight is 27 grams. The thickness is medium. And the size, average size, from 35 to 39 feet. Suited for people like female yoga lovers, fitness enthusiasts, and daily training for the elderlies. You can make a hand wash with it, and you can do this in the hand wash jobs at your machine too. This is the awesome, nice yoga exercise performing yoga socks by Joe from isolem. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.